How to make green tea lemonade for weight loss. We've learned in recent years that being overweight or obese raises our risk for serious diseases. That's why it's become increasingly more common for people to seek alternatives for getting rid of excess body fat. Although having a nice figure continues to be one motivation for shedding pounds, most people have learned that the importance of losing them lies in your overall health. For this reason, many methods have been developed for losing weight, including those that don't subject your body to strict or dangerous routines. These options include some natural dietary supplements whose properties speed up your metabolism and help increase your energy expenditures to reduce the accumulation of fat. One of them is green tea, a plant that has occupied one of the top spots for weight loss and trimming inches from the waist. You can enhance its effects with the benefits of lemon and get a perfect diet beverage for weight loss. Are you intrigued? Green tea lemonade to lose weight and inches off your waist. Both green tea and lemon are known throughout the world for their detoxifying and diuretic properties that support the elimination of waste from the body. Both ingredients have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that, in addition to taking inches off your waist, help control the processes of inflammation in your body. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant, known as epigallocatechinolate, EGCG, which supports the reduction of fat, cholesterol, and triglycerides. Its regular consumption prevents the oxidation of lipids, favors the elimination of retained fluid, and improves your sensitivity to insulin. This, coupled with its content of potassium and fiber, improves your digestion of fats, filters the bloodstream, and decreases the accumulation of lipids in the arterial walls. Lemon has a high concentration of polyphenols, antioxidants that stimulate the liver to reduce excess fat. In addition to all this, thanks to its content of pectin, lemon prolongs feelings of fullness and reduces that insatiable craving to overeat. Green tea lemonade recipe for weight loss. Ginger. This natural spice has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and thermogenic properties that support your body's process of converting sugar into energy. As for honey, it not only acts as a natural sweetener but contains energy and antibiotics that benefit your health. Adding them to this recipe helps support your body's immune system and reduces your risk of infection. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 2 lemons, 4 bags of green tea, 2 tablespoons of pure, organic honey, 50 grams, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 10 grams. How do you make it? Bring the liter of water to a boil over high heat. Meanwhile, wash the lemons thoroughly and grate a bit of the zest to add to the water. Reserve the lemon juice. Allow the lemon zest tea to simmer for 5 minutes over low heat. After this time, remove it from the heat and add the green tea bags and ginger. cover and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Next, add the lemon juice and honey. Store this lemonade in the refrigerator for 2 hours, or until cold. When it's ready, strain off the liquid and consume it. You can enjoy this beverage 2 to 3 times a day. Things to remember. Although the regular consumption of this green tea lemonade can help you lose weight, it's important to know that you'll only see results if you also control your intake of calories and fat. Nothing will happen if your diet every day is filled with saturated fats, sugars, and commercial products. It's also essential that you complement your consumption of this lemonade with 6 to 7 glasses of water per day. This precious liquid supports your body's natural detox and is key for weight loss.